This is Windows 11 rebuilt for speed, taking about 6 gigabytes of storage. It starts fast. Defender runs normally. Updates install only when you allow them. The Microsoft Store opens without problems. This is Tiny 1123 H2, the compatibility-focused edition for 2026, designed to run on older PCs that do not support SSE 4.2 while keeping all essential features. Hi, I am Neil from Apidus. Let's get started. You will start by creating Tiny 11 with the Creator tool. Open the Creator from our official site. The link is in the pinned comment below. When it opens, click Build. The tool prepares your Tiny 11 installer on its own. If you want to skip the build step, download the ready installer from the site. Both choices work and both stay simple. You might ask why this uses build 23H2. It offers strong compatibility for older hardware, including systems that do not support SSE 4.2. It needs about 6 gigabytes of storage. You get Defender, Microsoft Store, and all required security updates. It also works well as a second OS for software testing or general use on aging PCs. Make sure you own a valid Windows 11 license before you begin. Tiny 1123 H2 works only with clean official installs. No cracks, no hacks, no risky tools. Your internet speed controls how long the process takes. When you see build finish successfully, your installer is ready. Only download Tiny 11 through the official Creator or the official installer. Other sites often host unsafe or unstable files that can damage your PC. Now you will use Zeno, a small tool that installs Tiny 11 without a USB drive. Zeno is included in the package. Open it and pick the Tiny 11 installer you created. Select the drive for the install. Check that it has no important files, because the format step erases everything. Set the file system to NTFS, confirm the choice, and let Zeno process it. In a few minutes, Tiny 1123 H2 installs completely. Restart your PC when it finishes. You should see a dual boot menu with Tiny 11 listed. If it does not show up, add it manually with a BCD editor like Easy BCD or Visual BCD. The steps stay simple and safe. No USB drives, no complex setup. Just a direct and smooth installation. If Zeno shows an error or you want a USB install, Rufus is a solid option. Connect a USB with at least 8 gigabytes of free space. Make sure it is empty because the format step deletes all files. Open Rufus, pick your Tiny 11 installer, select the USB drive, and start the write process. This takes about 5 to 10 minutes based on your PC and USB speed. When it finishes, you have a bootable Tiny 11 USB. Restart your PC and press the boot menu key. This is usually F12, F8, or ES based on the device. If you are not sure, search your laptop or motherboard model, and you will find the correct key quickly. The setup is simpler than stock Windows 11. Pick the drive where you want to install Tiny 1123 H2. Check the drive before you continue because the install erases all files on that drive. Language choices and other settings come after the install. When it completes, Tiny 1123 H2 boots straight to the desktop, clean and ready. If you want to avoid reinstalling Windows and still want better performance, use Velotic. It upgrades your current Windows into Tiny 11 with a few clicks and does not require a full reinstall. Velotic isn't a cleaner, it's a system overhaul. It raises FPS, cuts lag, and keeps your PC running like it's brand new, every single day. CPU and GPU are tuned automatically. Junk files are deleted before you even notice. Hidden slowdowns? Gone in real time. You get over 500 pro-level tweaks, one-click Windows debloat, instant app installs, and smart power management that adapts to how you work or play. It even compresses data safely to free up 70% more space without deleting anything. This isn't a quick fix. It's the same technology used by power users and studios to keep systems fast and reliable. Built over 3 years, tested by thousands, and refined with every update. $19.99 once. Lifetime speed, zero effort. Velotic. Built for performance users who refuse slow. Now we move to the key step. turning Windows 11 into Tiny 11. Open Velotic, go to the debloat page, and press play. The tool handles everything for you. With one click, your system reaches Tiny 11 speed with no file loss and no broken features. You can check the full guide through the I button and the link in the description. After you reach the desktop, open the Configure app and turn on compression. This cuts disk use by almost half. It takes a few minutes, and most users should enable it. When it finishes, you get Tiny 1123 H2 running in about 6 gigabytes. Standard Windows often needs more than 40 gigabytes before you add anything. Tiny 11 delivers a similar experience in a much smaller size. It stays fast, light, and optimized for older hardware, including systems without SE 4.2. Now that Tiny 11 is running, you can get online. Open the Configure app and pick the browser you want. I am using Chrome, but Edge, Opera, and Firefox all work. You are not forced to use Edge. Tell me which browser you prefer in the comments. I read them all. Chrome installs in seconds with one click. The process is fully automatic. Once you are online, check out my YouTube channel and our partner channel, and subscribe if you like the content. You will also see a link to our Discord server in the description. Join to talk with other Tiny 11 users, get support, and see early previews of upcoming builds. If your PC crashes or shows out of memory errors, try this fix. Open the Configure app, turn on paging files, and restart your PC. Paging files are off by default to save space. Turning them on improves stability and prevents most crashes, especially on older hardware. Drivers are essential because they make your hardware work. Graphics, sound, Wi-Fi, touchpad, keyboard, and other components need them. Without the right drivers, some features will not function. Tiny 11 keeps installing drivers simple. Open the Configure app, select Install Drivers, then choose specific drivers or install all. No risky websites, no complicated steps. Do you need drivers? Yes. Gamers and video editors need graphics drivers. Laptop users need touchpad, touchscreen, and function key drivers. Desktop users need Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sound, and power management drivers. Once drivers are installed, your PC runs smoothly and efficiently. Tiny 11 makes it easy, so even beginners can get full performance. Why choose premium Tiny 1123 H2? Safety first. The official build stays fully updated and secure. Many free copies online contain malware. Lean and fast. This is the smallest, most optimized Tiny 11 build. It runs well on low-end and older PCs, including those without SSE 4.2. Direct support. Get personal help anytime through Discord or email. Premium Tiny 1123 H2 is more than a lightweight OS. It is fast, secure, compatible, and fully supported. Thanks for watching. This is a PDUS signing off.